Hey YouTube, what is going on? Adil here from TechBomb, bringing you another review yet to the channel. Now today I'll be reviewing this Combaterwing mechanical gaming keyboard, which I've been sent to do a review on and give my honest opinion, which I will do in this video. Now I will leave the links for you guys down in the description below if you guys are interested. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. When this keyboard arrives, it comes in a plain brown box with Combaterwing logos on the front. On the back you have a diagram of the keyboard and some specs to the right hand side. Inside you have your keyboard, palm rest, extra switches, keycap remover, some screws and a screwdriver. Now straight away the quality of the keyboard is really good, I must say. On the back you have this plastic film protecting this glossy plastic, which is a very unique feature. I've never seen this feature in a keyboard before and it does look very different, but you won't look at the bottom of the keyboard very often now, would you, as you have this to attract your attention. Now here's a nice looking palm rest protected again by a plastic film, which has a semi-gloss finish to it. You have to screw the palm rest on the back here. I tried and gave up almost immediately trying to install this as I am very impatient. On the good side, you are provided with 5 extra blue switches and a keycap remover. This keyboard also has a braided cable, which is always a nice touch to have. Now this keyboard has a very nice ergonomic and slimline design, and the floating keys are of good quality and have a real nice tactile feedback. This is also a plug and play keyboard with 7 different fixed coloured lanes, having 9 different lighting modes, so sit back and enjoy while I go through these for you. So this keyboard uses blue switches, which are really simple to change with the keycap remover provided. So here's a quick type test of the actual keyboard. So this was the Combaterwing gaming keyboard review. I hope you guys found this helpful and enjoyed the video, and if you did, then be sure to like, subscribe and share the video to support my channel. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in another video.